Today my project is social distancing car using ultrasonic sensor. Let's move on to the video. The ultrasonic sensor VCC to positive, GND to negative, trigger to D11, echo to D10 of the nano. And the motor, left motor and right motor are connected 4, 5, 7, 8 and with the help of this motor driver. This is the coding of the project. Starting the code with when Arduino begin, initialize pin, right motor to 4, 5, left motor to 7, 8 for our pin. I have created a variable lion. Set lion to ultrasonic sensor, trigger pin to 11, echo pin to 10. Read distance in centimeter. If lion is lesser than 15 centimeter, then the car move backward. If it is greater than 20 centimeter, then the car move forward. If the lion is lesser than 20 centimeter and greater than 15 centimeter, the car stop. If it is lesser than 15 centimeter, it goes backward. If it is greater than 20 centimeter, it goes forward. If it is greater than 15 centimeter, lesser than 20 centimeter, it stop. So friends, this is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Izan from LiQWYD.